Hello everyone, I'm Jacob Kaufman, I'm the Nerd in the Street, and today we are configuring OSPF on 3 Cisco IOS routers. Alright everyone, so as you may know, Cisco IOS is a proprietary operating system that runs on Cisco's routers, but OSPF is an open standard that the Internet Engineering Task Force actually created back in... Sorry about that, just got a YouTube comment. As I was saying, OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First, and it's a great option for routers because... Okay. I just want to remind you guys, I do read every single one of your comments that comes in. And I have been getting a lot of comments recently telling me that I talk too much. Now, if you go and watch a video on, say, It's My Natural Colors channel, and then you try and tell me that I talk too much, you might change your mind. But regardless, here at Nerd on the Street, I listen to your feedback. You don't want to hear me talk about the backstory behind my videos. You don't want to hear me explain what I'm doing. That's fine. Let's have it your way. Here's how to configure OSPF on 3 Cisco IOS routers, and I'm not going to explain anything to you. Good luck following along. Alright everyone, so there you have it. We have just configured OSPF on 3 Cisco IOS routers, and now those routers can communicate with each other, even the ones that are on different subnets, separated by another router in the middle. Hopefully you got all that, but if you have any questions, then you can hit me up over at the forums at nerdonthestreet.com, or of course you can leave a comment down below whether you're watching on our website, YouTube, or Dailymotion. For now though, I do want to point out that this video took me a lot less time to edit than my normal videos do with a lot of talking, so I think I'll actually stick to this format from now on. You guys were right. Good job. So I'll see you for another silent video next week, but for now I'm Jacob Kaufman, I'm the Nerd on the Street. Happy April Fool's Day everyone. Bye.